Hi, my name is Ali Raza. I'm the founder and CEO of Max Dental Marketing. And today we're going to touch upon a topic that has been one of our favorite topics in the past, and it's called how can dental practices take advantage of SEO? We will touch upon how SEO has taken an impact with the advent of technologies like ChatGPT, Bing searches, Google Bards, and stuff like that. So whenever somebody comes into your dentistry and if they ask you a question, hey doctor, I want great health for my teeth, you cannot go ahead and tell the person that, okay, no problem, just go ahead and buy a brush. Can you? You can't. Why? Because you would definitely tell that patient that, look, if you want healthy teeth, if you want a great dental health, you got to take care of your brushing schedule, you got to take care of your toothbrush, you got to take care of the amount of sugar that you're consuming, you got to take care of the quality of the brush that you're using. So there are several different things that you will be prescribing that patient that'll give him or her an overall system using which he or she will be able to maintain the dental health of the teeth. SEO is not just one thing. It is a combination of several different factors. So the first point is website optimization. You want to make sure that your website is perfectly updated and is absolutely optimized. Your website is your first impression. So whenever somebody gets to know about your dentistry, the first thing that they will do is they will look up your profile on Google and they will land on your website. They won't go on your social platforms first. They will probably take a look at your website. So your website is the first impression that patients will get. You want to make sure that your website is absolutely updated. We did a video earlier, and you will see the link of that video somewhere in this on the screen. You can go ahead and refer that again to see how you should make sure that your website is updated. And if it's not updated, you are losing out on a lot of patients. So you want to make sure that your website is updated. You want to make sure that your profile, the doctor's profile, is updated. The most important thing that we recommend our dental practice owners is it should be mobile responsive. Yes, if your website is not mobile responsive, 90 to 80% of the traffic that is coming onto your website is coming from mobile. And that means your patients will not be able to take a look at your website properly. That means they will not be able to engage or leave an inquiry or schedule an appointment on your website. Your website should be loading fast. And when I say fast, it should be up and running. Whenever somebody opens the URL of your website, it should be completely rendering in 3 seconds. Whenever we engage with the dentistry, we ask them, do you have any reviews? And they say, yes, we have a lot of reviews. But the bad thing is those reviews are not present on their website. They're not present on the social media platforms. They're somewhere placed in the files. They have it in, some kind of documents, but they are not prominently placed on the website. So you want to make sure that you have those reviews present on your website, on the social media platforms. The most important thing that you want to make sure that all your reviews are going on your Google business profile. This one thing alone is going to lift your SEO and give you an advantage that other dentistries won't have. And the most important thing that you don't want to forget is ask your patient to be specific about the service that they received and then appreciate that service. This will tell Google that your dentistry is focused on a certain type of service, and it'll start giving you more exposure whenever somebody's doing a search. So if some parent comes in and says, I went ahead and asked Dr. Sam to do braces for my son. So braces for kids is a keyword, and make sure you're asking your patients to be very specific when they're trying to give you a review, a testimonial. So to sum it up, you want to make sure that all the reviews you have in your files, in your folders, lying anywhere, make sure you have it on your Google business profile. If you're thinking that you'll start making all these changes that we suggested and you'll start seeing changes overnight, it's not going to happen like that. SEO is a long-term thing. You want to make sure that you would start investing maybe once a month or maybe twice a month with your marketing agency. You should start spending time with them. You should be able to give them the videos that we talked about, the different reviews that we talked about, the images that we talked about, and all the information related to your specific dentistry, all the specific services that make your dentistry stand out. You want this information to be flown, you want this information to be given to your marketing agency so that team can do a good job using that information and plug it into your website so Google can start taking a look, Google can start consuming that information and start ranking your dentistry whenever somebody searches for a service, a dental practice that is near them. At Max Dental Marketing, we provide all the services that we just spoke about, the SEO service. We're doing it for a couple of hundred clients. So more than a few hundred clients are being managed by our SEO team, and we are doing all and even more of what we spoke about. You might want to go ahead and check out our website for that as well. Please, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more information and more tips about how to make sure that you're ranking your website, you're getting more exposure for your dental practice. Thank you.